Apps of popular third-party streaming services such as YouTube TV, Netflix, Disney+, Peacock TV, and more appear in the Amazon's App Store. When you are dealing with dozens of such services, it can become difficult to switch between them to watch your favorite movie or TV show. After all, it is highly unlikely for a single service to carry all your preferred TV shows and movies. Here's where you can summon Alexa and play a movie or TV show with a single click. Use Alexa commands such as play or watch, and you can be more specific with play title in an app. The command only works with Alexa-supported apps such as Prime Video and Netflix, so don't get surprised when your commands don't work in certain apps. If you still have a cable connection to watch live TV channels at home, you can also switch between them using Alexa. Press and hold the Alexa button and ask it to tune to the channel number on TV. You'll need to switch the input type source to the antenna though. Besides navigating the Firos, the Alexa Assistant is useful for answering general questions. For example, you can ask Alexa to show outside weather, open a to-do list, check songs by an artist on Prime Music, and more. You can also ask Alexa to show one of the connected webcams. For example, say show me the backyard camera and tune it in on the TV. With Alexa, you can go through the search results without using the remote. When you have search results lined up on Fire TV, ask Alexa to select number 5, play number 7, and open it. Are you a Will Smith fan, or do you prefer the war documentaries on Fire TV? Instead of finding your favorite actors' movies across streaming services, you can trigger Alexa and ask it to find title, genre, or show me TV shows, movies with actor name. Quite convenient, isn't it? Although the Fire TV remote comes with a dedicated home, more, and back buttons, you can use Alexa to navigate between menus and options with voice commands. Alexa quickly allows you to play the title, watch the trailer, add the current show to your watch list, or show episodes or a specific season. While Alexa isn't the most convenient method to control video playback, it can be useful in certain scenarios. You can ask Alexa to play, pause, stop, and resume the movie. Find a dance number in a movie boring. Tell Alexa to fast forward it. You can even ask the assistant to watch the show or movie from the beginning. Do note that video playback via Alexa only works in Amazon Prime Video and other supported apps. Apps like Hulu, Sling TV, YouTube TV, and Fubo TV come with live TV channels for a seamless cord-cutting experience. Alexa will let you switch between offered TV channels, open a channel guide, and even control playback.